Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make opencv CMake using CMake and with Yo and stuff. Alright, so first of all, I have made this. So first you follow download CMake, go to the website. In here, install this, and then that's it. And then and then Anaconda, go to the website, download Anaconda, run it. Python, go to Python website, download the newest one, put them in the environmental variable. So in order to do this, you search environmental variables, and in here you pass that is, and you make your Python there. And then CUDA, this is the one of the hard parts, so do it Windows 11, this, and then you download it. So you download it. Let's see, it's here, and then you run it. You need to sign in into your NVIDIA account and stuff. Make sure you have a GPU, and then in there, yeah. And then after everything's set up correctly for CUDA, your environmental variable should have this and this in your CUDA if you have set them up correctly. Alright, and then the CUDN, go there, create an account or something, you download this, Windows, and then after you download, let's see, something, yeah, like this. Oh no, it's whatever, yeah, something similar. And then opencv release. This one is a little bit tricky as well. Here, download source. If you download source, you extract everything. For me, I extract everything in here. So after you extract, you have this, and then for the contribute, go here, you click here, click tab, choose the newest one, then you download it, extract, and then that will be here. Alright, after you do everything, you need to download Visual Studio. The studio you download here, yeah, you download, and then the tricky part is, if you have Visual Studio, then you probably might get error using CMake. So in here, select Tool, get Features. So in your features, you need to select C++. Here, this one is important. You need to select this, and then select Download, and then this will make it work for CMake. Then, yeah, everything is downloaded. After you open your CMake. Yeah, this one's opencv 4.6. Yeah, if you have the newest, then you do the newest. This one is the build. So for in here, in your opencv folder, or like whatever folder you have, you make a new file called like build. So in here already made it. So for example, if you want to make another build file, you can just make like a new file here called like build, and then just put everything there. So it's, yeah, that's it. So after that it's done, click configure button. Yeah, configure is here. Okay. After that sounds configure, and then yeah, and then in search bar you just search all these. So if you Python 3, yeah, so with CU, CUDA, all these stuff, it's just good. And then the opencv DNN, yeah, it's good. And then the opencv DNN with CU, it's good. Enable fast, it's good. Enable sh1 here, search this, also it's off, circle, and here. This one is a little bit tricky. Extract. This is the path for your opencv contribute. So in here, you select mode, find your path here, copy path, put it there. Yeah, that's it. Then put your file here, configure again. Okay. So if you have errors doing this configuration stuff, then in here probably you are missing CUDN download. So after you download your CUDN, you need to find your CUDN here. In here, copy everything, and then paste them into your C program files, and then program files, NVIDIA, toolkits, CUDA 11. Then you basically just paste everything here and then just replace the thing you need. And then, yeah, that will work for that. Then after we configured already, yeah, we're in this step. Configure again. Okay. So now, oh, not this one. If you want to put them in your Anaconda environment, then in here you need to search Python 3. Okay, here those need to be in Anaconda environment. To do that, you open Anaconda. In here, you right click Anaconda. Anaconda run as administrator. Okay, you run as administrator. In here, you create a new environment. In here, I made a new environment called opencv GPU. You can create whatever environment name you want. And then, after you create the environment, find the place, find the path of your environment. So for me, because I installed everything in here, Anaconda environments, opencv GPU, copy the path here, and then in here, copy the path of this, and then Python exe. Then in here you can find your Python exe. It's this, so it's good. So in here you select here, then you find your folder there. Yeah. So everything in here needs to be AI. I mean, to be in the Anaconda environment. And then this is your Anaconda environment name, and then the other stays the same. All right, back to the thing. Okay. So if you hit configure, it works. Then you in your CMake search CUDA fast math enable AR. So in here, value is 7.5. If you have a better graphic card, go to this website. Underneath here are all the versions and stuff. So for me, I have a 2060, then it's 7.5 here. So if you have a 4080, then it's 8.9. 4080 is very expensive. Okay. And then search pref. Here is where you put your install file. So for me, I made my install file in install file here. If you, yeah, I just create a new file called install and then just put it here. Yeah. And then yeah, then configure. I mean search config. In here, then you make sure it's only release. Yeah. And then after the release, yeah, hit configure in here. It will take a few 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then you hit generate. This will generate a file if everything goes right. And then make sure you open your CMD here, and then run as admin as always, and then put your, here is your CMake exe path, and here is your build path which is the build folder located. And then you basically do this, put in your CMD, and then this will take a long time. So basically your CMD, if there's no error, everything like this will be going on, takes a super long time. And then boom, you're all set. If you have errors, and then you need to make sure, then you might have like numpy error. So in here, your CMD need to do piping stop numpy. So here I have the best, the newest version so far. Yeah. So also in Anaconda here, in your environment, you should do pipe install numpy. Yeah, it's there. So after numpy, yeah, it will work. And then to test them, go to Anaconda. Okay, to test them here, go to search Anaconda, right click mouse admin, yes, and then I'm pretty sure I have a file in yeah, I have a file in here. Those are the two videos I posted. You can follow these, but they might be out of dated, so but they work pretty well. Yeah, and in here I'll post another test.py. So yeah, in here make sure you search your opencv environment. You launch your VS Code. Well, you should install VS Code first if you don't have VS Code. That's whatever. Open file, PC, E. This is my test script. So right now press F5, you run it. Yeah, shows CUDA takes 0.5 seconds, the CPU takes 1.2 seconds, so it's like 1 or 2 or 3 times faster than your things. Alright, that's it. So for robotic team, YOLO, opencv, and your image detection using AI. So that's basically it. And then here's documentation. Those 2 YouTube video works for me. That's how I find them. And here's the video to help you how to do it, and hopefully it will help you for your future, for the carleton future robotic team to detect better things. Alright.